And I just wanted to show you that I always put this link for this webinar in the description box below every video I make. And yet I see in the analytics that you all newbies are not taking advantage of this. So I just wanted to show you what happens when you click the link in the description box. There are also all the links to everything I speak about. Okay, there's a link for your crypto trader tax form that you can give to your accountant. There's upholds if you would like to buy XRP. Always do your own research. I don't give financial advice. I simply share what I do and how I research, and it's for education and entertainment. Okay, the other thing is someone asked me recently on a one-on-one session. By the way, if you want one of those, you can email me at zendevon@gmail.com. I'll repeat that because somebody recently told me I say it way too fast. zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in uppercase letters so that I don't miss your email. Then we usually switch to texting so that we can set up a time and payment, okay? Now, in this channel, Zen the Crypto Queen, helping newbies navigate the complicated world of cryptocurrency, and it is a bit complicated, which is why I make videos so you can follow along and see what's happening, and I'll be making others so that you can keep up with what's happening with my favorite coin. Of course, do your own research, but XRP, XLM, XDC, ISO 20022 coins. I won't get too far off base with this. You can look up on under my videos. Go onto my page and click underneath the YouTube channel. Click videos, okay? But if you go under any of my videos in the description box, you will find this link. I think it's the top one for sure. In this free webinar training, you learn how to navigate through the confusing landscape of the crypto space, how to keep your head when everyone else is losing theirs, and best practices during bull and bear runs, and how to use exchanges and how to use wallets, okay? Those are online wallets, offline wallets. That's a ledger. There's also a link for a ledger in my description box under each video. You can play this. It says 152 minutes. I'm sorry. 1 hour, 52 minutes. But I can tell you the first 5 minutes is a very overzealous introduction to me, which I find embarrassing. But you know what? She loves me. What can I tell you? And then there's about 35 to 40 minutes of the true content. And I would say, please pay attention to that. After that, it's a Q&A session. And some of the questions are perfect questions for you to listen to if you are a brand newbie. If you don't want to listen to it, that's cool. But I'm just telling you, the content is in the first 40 minutes of this video, okay? But the Q&A is worth listening to. I mean, listen, if you, whatever questions they ask me, they're probably running through your head too if you are a brand newbie with crypto, okay? Even if you're not, some of these questions are totally legit. And here are some helpful resources to get you started. This is exactly what's underneath. All these links are underneath my, in the description box on each video, okay? So CoinMarketCap is where you check daily. You can read the white papers. You can check prices. And there's a lot of great features there you have to navigate around. I actually did a video about how to navigate around CoinMarketCap. Please check it out in my video section on my channel, which you are on right now, okay? Recommended exchanges. BITTREX is one of my faves. You have to verify your ID, so you'll need the link that's right below it. Crypto.com. I use COINBASE. I use, though not as much. UPHOLD. Yeah, I love it. It's super simple. You can use it on your phone or on your computer. Most of these you can. Recommended wallets. Yeah, Exodus I use for my hot wallet. A lot of people use MetaMask. They use Trust Wallet. I have MetaMask. I use it for NFT purposes only. You can use either one of those. And I would imagine that if you want to move your crypto off, let's say Uphold, and onto MetaMask or Trust, it's a very similar process. You could always hit me up for details or a private session if you would like to learn more about that. Exodus has been around since I've been online dealing with crypto since 2012. And I'll be straight with you. I've made money. I've lost money. That is why I created this channel, so I can help you avoid that, okay? But when I made money, so I'm not sad, okay? The Ledger, that's my #1 recommendation for a cold wallet. That is like taking cash out of an ATM machine and putting it in your personal wallet. You get the option of holding on to it, and you've got it in your own like personal safe, okay? Now, the thing that you need to know about it is it runs on Ledger Live software. So your actual device that looks like a flash drive looks exactly like a flash drive, and there's nothing it does until you plug it in to your computer or your phone. That's what fires up the software, which is called Ledger Live. Now, let's say you bought Bitcoin today. I think it's at 30,000 today, and you put that ledger away for a year and it went up to 35,000. The minute you plug it in, it updates to the current value, okay? Just so that you know, because this is a question people often ask about, okay? If you need help with your ledger, just hit me up. I will pop on a free Zoom call that I will stay on for 15 minutes for free. I usually charge $97 for an hour, and I get paid via Venmo or Zelle usually, okay? I take PayPal, but I don't support PayPal as much as I used to because they're annoying, okay? Celsius has been in Chapter 11. In fact, I just got an email from them the other day that they are in the process of purchasing out part of their company. So do I plan to see the money that I put in there? We'll see. But yeah, sometimes you make mistakes. This was one of them for me. But hey, it's still on the table. I still get letters saying they're in Chapter 11 and they're restructuring, blah, 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 blah. We will see how this shakes out. Do I plan on getting my Bitcoin and my Matic out of there? Let's just say I just keep it on a back burner. It's going to shake out however it shakes out, okay? SHIELDFOLIO is a special notebook that has a ghost pen and a special light, so it's like a black light kind of a thing, so you can hide your private passwords and recovery words. I have one, and I also have 3 notebooks in hidden places. I still want one because, you know, it just sounded cool. But I keep 3 notebooks with all my sites, all my passwords, and I update all 3, and I keep them in 3 different places, and I never keep one next to my ledger. The SHIELDFOLIO goes with the ledger. CryptoTrader for tax purposes, there's that link. iTrustCapital, it's a trading platform that allows clients to buy and sell crypto and physical gold in real time. And that's it. We've got private consultation. Like I said, you can, you know what? There is no pay later. Okay, sorry. But you can do Venmo or Zelle or PayPal. All right. So that is the link that is in the description box below. That is the free webinar. Like I said, I mean, it looks like it's pretty long, but your content is the first 40 minutes. If you have the time, I would highly recommend that you listen to the Q&A session afterwards. And I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for being with me. I love you all. Ciao for now.